Hello, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Keniali Lopez, and I'm going to answer some questions for the video response number 2. What are the needs and challenges of the heroic phase? According to the video for disasters, the needs of the heroic phase stage are: during this phase, disaster survivors may deny the impact the disaster it is having on their homes, deny the impact the disaster is having on them and their families, utilize extraordinary measures to protect their homes and families, stockpile community assets. The honeymoon phase can include a crash point. Describe who, when, and why this may occur. The crash point begins when the heroic phase ends, and at the moment they realize how many people they have saved and end up tired and exhausted. This happens to the people who have helped in the disasters and have contributed of themselves to help in the midst of the crisis. It is that point where they begin to react, to see everything that has happened, where they remain in the moment, the stillness, and reflect on everything they have had to see and do. During the disillusionment phase, fear, anger, and hopelessness can set in. What type of clinical conditions may develop from these circumstances, and what type of treatment is best to overcome them? From these circumstances, in that point phase, in disappointment phase, PTSD or anxiety, depression can be found in the people. These people usually arrive with these symptoms after disaster in the final phase of disappointment. After spending the years after the disaster, suicides increase. After a disaster, people in emotional crisis must be treated. But we are not talking about months or weeks. Rather, it is follow-up and treatment that in each phase can last for years. Groups support are well known for this type of disaster, as well as individual therapy. And the important thing is not to stop looking for help when have been through a disaster crisis. I have included the following resources in my response: the video presentation of Needs on Challenge of Disaster from HBU University. Thank you so much.